Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is not our general class, it is our oral sheet practice class. I repeat, our today's topic is oral sheet practice. So dear students, look here, this is our new topic. That means we will learn today inshallah from our oral sheet. It is written oral sheet practice lecture number 14. Okay, you will not have any SW in your from your oral sheet. So I request my students of class 2 to look at both. So look here, this is our lecture number 14. It is written a class 2 written, then subject English literature oral sheet for oral test. Already you have got this sheet. Page number 1. Number 1, what does the big diaper look like? Answer, the big diaper looks like a large spot. So we have learned from our buzzword book, the big diaper looks like a large spot. Number 2, why do some stars appear bigger and brighter than other? Answer, some stars appear bigger and brighter than other stars because they are closer to the earth. I repeat, some stars appear bigger and brighter than other stars because they are closer to the earth. Now 3, why did Reef fall asleep the first time? Answer, Reef fell asleep the first time because he was tired. Number 4, what did the barrel contain? Answer, the barrel contained instant, pink water. You have already known this. Number 5, why was the coconut heavy? So look here, why was the coconut heavy? To get the answer of these questions, we need to go to our next page, that means page number 2. Why was the coconut heavy? Answer, the coconut was heavy because it was filled with water inside. 6, what did the boys decide to do with the coconut? Answer, the boys decided to take the coconut to grandma. So dear student, look here, when it will be written in past structure, that means we will use the past form of the verb. So look at, the boys decided, this one is the correct form, to take the coconut to grandma. 7, what is the story the coconut about? Answer, the story is about Anus and Ravi exploring the fact that the coconut is a fruit, a nut and a seed. So look, the story about Anus and Ravi exploring the fact that the coconut is a fruit, a nut and a seed. Now 8 number questions, what else can you taste in a coconut apart from its water? Answer, we can taste the fleshy part of the coconut. 9, who saved the lion from the hunters? Answer, the little mouse and his friends saved the lion from the hunters. Question number 10, what did the lion think about the mouse? So look, what did the lion think about the mouse? Answer, the lion thought the mouse would not be able to help him because of his tiny shape or of his little shape. I am telling again the answer, the lion thought the mouse would not be able to help him because of his tiny shape. 11 number, how did the mice help the lion? Answer, all the mice, so look here, it is beat the ropes of different parts of the lion's body and set him free. 12, what do you learn from the story of the lion and the mouse? Answer, we learn that even the tiniest creature can help the big ones. 13, who is the writer of the poem Afternoon on a Hill? Answer, Edna St. Vincent Millay. So look here, answer is Edna St. Vincent Millay. 14 number, what does Canis have for breakfast? Answer, Canis has eggs and mangoes for breakfast. Question number 15, why is good health essential for us? you have learned from your comprehension. Why is good health essential for us? To get the answer of these questions, we need to go to next page. So look here, good health is essential because it leads a happy life. Number 16, what does good health mean? Answer, good health means healthy body free from disease. 17, why is physical exercise necessary? Answer, physical exercise is necessary because it keeps our body fit for work. So look, physical exercise is necessary because it keeps our body fit for work. 18 number, how was Bayajit's mother? Answer, Bayajit's mother was ill. I told you the meaning of ill. Ill means sick. 19 number, where did Bayajit? Dear students, look here, in our computer compose sheet it is written there is no A. That means A was or A is missing, but you must write A. So look here, where did Bayajit, for example, B-A-Y-A-Z-I-D-S. So look here, B-A-Y-A, I have written above giving a sign. Where did Bayajit go for water? Answer, Bayajit, B-A-Y-A-Z-I-D. Okay, in your oral sheet you will correct it. Went to the stream to get water. 20 number, this is our last questions from oral sheet. What did Bayajit do the whole night? Answer, Bayajit stood with the glass of water in his hand for the whole night. So last one is Bayajit stood with the glass of water in his hand for the whole night. Dear students, today we have learned from our oral sheet 1 to 20 questions. Though the number is vast, these are very easy because we have already learned this question answer in our buzzword book and in our comprehension 1 and 2. So these are not too much difficult, these are not difficult to you because most of the students already have learned this. Those who are very much regular to submit their SW, they have already learned this. So in these connections I request you for the last time, please please try to learn from your oral sheet 1 to 20, those who have not already memorized. And finally, this is our last class, and if you have any query regarding our today's class or previous class, please don't forget to write me in the comment box. Please practice the oral sheet again and again so that you can memorize all the questions. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.